In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see what's on your flight on Emirates flight. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to preview the entertainment and other onboard options for your specific journey so you can plan ahead with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Emirates website. You don't need to log in or have a booking open for this. We're just using a public tool on the homepage. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to scroll and get familiar with the layout. You're looking for a section called What's on Your Flight. Depending on your screen size, you might see it featured prominently, or you may need to scroll a little further down. If it's not immediately obvious, check the main navigation under the Experience or In-Flight Entertainment areas, or use the site's search bar and type What's on Your Flight. When you find What's on Your Flight, click it to open the tool. This page tailors results to your exact route and date, so the details you enter next are important. Start by entering your departure airport. You can type a city name or an airport code, and a drop-down should appear with matches. Select the correct airport from the suggestions to avoid typos. If your city has multiple airports, double-check you've chosen the one on your ticket. Next, enter your arrival airport the same way. Again, pick from the suggested list to ensure accuracy. Now choose your departing date. Use the calendar picker to select the exact day you're flying. The availability of entertainment can vary by date and aircraft, so be sure the date matches your itinerary. When your departure airport, arrival airport, and date are all set, click See What's On. The site will generate results tailored to that specific flight. You'll typically see the in-flight entertainment lineup, including movies, TV shows, music, and other content available through Emirates' ICE system. Explore the categories, use any filters to narrow by genre or language, and click individual titles to read descriptions, runtimes, and ratings. If applicable, you may also find information about kids' content and other onboard features relevant to your flight. If the results seem off, recheck your entries or try a nearby date to compare. Content can be updated periodically and may differ by aircraft type, so treat this as a reliable preview rather than a final guarantee. Repeat the same steps for your return flight to plan both directions. That's it. With these simple inputs, you'll know exactly what to expect on board before you even leave home.